Aha! SaddleTramp is now PaddleTramp. Arr, we be pirates. There are me mates over there. We be paddling around. Now there's a little something different. We're just, instead of being on a bike, we're on top of the water and just having a good old time. That's Fernanda right there. She's my professora de português. She's my Portuguese teacher. And she is kayaking. She has not been kayaking since she was in Brazil. So anyway, that's my missus over there. And this is Fernanda. And we're going to sneak up on Fernanda. What's that?
It's wonderful.
Hey, you'll be on my YouTube?
Oh.
But you'll be tubing?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. No, I know he's fast.
They're jealous of my pedal drive. I got the Cadillac of kayaks. Ha ha ha. I say we be pirates. I am no longer SaddleTramp, but I am PaddleTramp. Arrgh. This is going to be one of my irregular videos. I've never done a kayak video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's
usually been motorcycles and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's
I'm telling my audience, I said, it's in the name of my channel is SaddleTramp, right? So now I'm PaddleTramp.
yeah, I see that.
My missus hadn't been in her boat in a while. Let's go see how she's doing. How you digging it? Yeah, it's a good day, huh? I was telling the audience I'm no longer SaddleTramp, but I'm PaddleTramp or PaddleTramp. She said PaddleTramp sounds like a bicycle thing. Okay. Yeah, when I'm 8 years old. My fault. And just like that, guys, the tide took us out. It's still taking us out. We gotta get back in. That's the trick about navigating in any waters and little plastic boats, because you're real susceptible to the wind and the tides. You know, Fernanda's going that way. Kimmy's over there. All right, it's probably been about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We started off in Waveland and now we're in Bay St. Louis. Usually I'm out fishing in this thing, but just for the heck of it, just paddling around, man, that's just too much fun. Especially seeing Fernanda. I hadn't seen her in a couple of years. She's the one that taught me a little bit of Portuguese before I went to Brazil. I spent 2 weeks in Brazil one time and hope to go back sometime. And she's asked me, how's your Portuguese? And I said, I'm not professora, which means I don't have a teacher anymore. So maybe she'll teach me again, who knows. And now we're gonna turn around and go back well into the other town. So now we gotta paddle some more. And I just saw that my little kayak is taking on water a little bit. Look at this. See that? It wasn't like that when I left the house. So I guess I got some. I got a little maintenance to do down here. And there's my missus and her torpedo-looking kayaki. She got the coolest looking boat. What do you guys think, huh? Leave comments down below what you think about my wife's kayak. she looks like a natural at it. Yeah, she says she says it needs ape hangers, like what's on my Softail. That's pretty funny.